What are internet cookies? Everyone has seen the website banners that ask you if you will allow cookies on your browser or not. But what exactly does this mean, and what are these cookies? Well, cookies are small pieces of text sent to your browser by a website you visit. They help that website remember information about your visit, which can both make it easier to visit the site again and make the site more useful to you. Let me make it more clear to you. Cookies are small files of information that a web server generates and sends to a web browser. Web browsers store the cookies they receive for a predetermined period of time or for the length of a user's session on a website. Web browsers store cookies in a designated file on user's device. Google Chrome browser, for example, stores all cookies in a file labeled cookies. Basically, cookies inform the websites about the user, enabling the website to personalize the user experience. For example, e-commerce websites use cookies to know what merchandise users have placed in their shopping cart. A simple example of cookies is when you open a website, your username and password are auto-filled. Cookies provided your login information to the website. Another example is when you go online shopping on Amazon and find items that are still in your cart from your last purchasing spree. Just remember, the main purpose of web cookies is to make the internet experience easier for users. When websites can remember your past visits, they can load their website with your preferences. What are cookies used for? When you visit a website, cookies can be used for various reasons. For example, set your chosen language preferences, remember items in a shopping cart, authenticate your identity, prevent fraud, create highly targeted ads, autofill information in forms, and so on. Some of the most important types of cookies include session cookies, persistent cookies, authentication cookies, tracking cookies, zombie cookies, and a few more. Coming to an end, if you enable and allow cookies, it can streamline your web surfing experience. Removing cookies can help you reduce your risk of privacy breaches. It can also reset your browser tracking and personalization. Removing normal cookies is easy, but it could make certain websites harder to navigate. Without cookies, you may have to re-enter your data for each visit. You can also clear cookies by yourself, usually from the privacy menu in the browser settings. Alright, so this brings me to the end of my video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.